Oh yeah. It's cozy. One like that, so you just peel the back off, slap them on, and then just rub it down a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. That's it.
Like that?
Huh? Yeah, that's it. So if you tap on that in the middle, tap it.
Dad.
I'll tap in the middle of that one. See how it sounds more like tinny? That sounds like doll.
Yeah. You just soundproof it.
Yeah, so it won't be as noisy when we're driving. So, good. Yeah.
High, 105.
21, 105.
My God.
So what have we done?
We did that.
Did what?
Put the thing.
What is it? Begins with a ear and ends with a shellation.
Insulation.
You got it.
Yeah.
Is it looking good?
Yeah.
Is it feeling warmer?
Yeah.
It's looking good. So I've got my seats refitted and I've added double like shoulder style seat belts because it just had one shoulder belt and one lap belt, so I took this off of a different seat and basically just welded it all onto the this original base here. Worked out pretty well, so we've got proper belts for the kids in the back, so that's good. I'll show you how the beds mount now. I've got some fold out camp beds which you're going to see now will slot into these pegs here, which these are just coach bolts. So I've drilled a hole, riv nut, got those all the way along there, all the way along there. This one I had to move because the original hole position had the cutout for the light right behind it, which was a bit annoying. That's why I've got that little plate there. So these are my hangers, which are just 25 by 25 box section with some slots cut out of them. Just drilled a hole each end, cut it out with the plasma, hand plasma. These have got a little square cut out. There's a square section of the bolt behind the head, so it holds it on there, so they just slot in like that. And the camp bed sits on here, and then the legs of the camp bed go into each one of these little slots. Like so. We've got bolts, holes there. So just make sure that that can't lift out. Once that's bolted down tight, I'll cut this off here. That should hold everything. The only issue really at the minute I can see is actually how they're going to get up on there. I think I weigh more than both my kids, so we should be alright for weight. I could definitely sleep up here. Right, so that's as much as I'm going to be able to get done before we go to retro rides. So we're just going to chuck everything in the back of here. We've got some little camping mattresses to go down here. Kids will go up there. It's going to be it for this one. Just watching. See you on the next one.